Hello everyone. So if you're preparing for UPSC Civil Services 2025 examination, one of the most crucial yet often overlooked paper is CSAT. Though it is qualifying in nature, it can either make or break your chances of clearing the examination. Scoring 33% seems quite easy, but every year many aspirants fall short because of its analytical and time-pressured nature. To build up your confidence, we have come up with the prelims test series for both GS as well as CSAT. GS test series started from 25th of August, in which we have included 35 tests, and the CSAT test series is starting from 15th of September, in which we have included 25 tests. Now let's have a look at the key offerings of the test series. Firstly, the test series is available in both online as well as in offline mode. So you can avail any of the mode as per your preference and choice. You can even write the tests in English or in Hindi medium. Quality questions are included in all the tests that will match the UPSC standards and trends. Now we have included detailed explanation for all the tests. So you would not just be knowing the answers, but it will also help you to clear your concepts and to overcome your mistakes. Now we have taken utmost care in covering up all the topics so that you get a holistic coverage of the entire syllabus. All India ranking will be provided for all the tests that will help you to assess your own performance. You will be able to see where you stand up among other students. We have also included need for speed tests. Now need for speed test will focus on your calculative speed. Now the test series include 25 tests. So there are 8 sectional tests, 2 need for speed tests, 10 full length tests and 5 all India open mock tests, which we call it as Anubhav tests. These tests would be starting from January and will continue till May before your preliminary examination. These tests would be on Sundays. Now the first 4 tests are your sectional tests. Now in sectional test, we'll be focusing more on your basic conceptual clarity and understanding. So we have included 2 tests on quantitative aptitude, 1 on logical reasoning and 1 on English comprehension. The entire test would be for 1 hour, 40 questions carrying 100 marks. Test 5 to 8 are your advanced level tests. So in these tests, we have included questions from moderate to high level, and each test would focus on 2 areas, majorly on quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning or quantitative aptitude and English comprehension. Now this test again will be for 1 hour, 40 questions and 100 marks. These tests we have focused more on quantitative aptitude because this is that area which the students find more challenging and difficult. Now the 2 need for speed tests would be test number 9 and test number 11. So these tests again would be for 1 hour, and instead of 40 questions we have included 50 questions. One test would be on quantitative aptitude and the other test would be on logical reasoning and English comprehension. Now this will help you to solve more questions. So we have given 10 extra questions in the same duration. In 1 hour you will be solving 10 extra questions. This will help you to boost your speed in solving the questions. There are 10 full length tests that will focus completely on the UPSC standard and syllabus. So we have included 5 Anubhav tests that will be your all India open mock test, which will be held at the national level and will be providing you with a detailed discussion on each test that will be live on our YouTube channel, and quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning will be taken care by Manjul Kumar Tiwari sir and English comprehension by Aditya Jagtap sir. So that was all little bit about the prelims test series for CSAT. Enrolling for the test series is very simple. You just need to visit our website, or you may call us, or you may even email us. All the very best, students. Keep learning and keep shining. Thank you so much.